Hello everyone, welcome to the GeoEcologist. I'm Dr. Krishnanand and I'm happy to announce that our biogeography book, that is ebook on our website geographyebooks.com, is finally updated for 2025. So this Simplified Biogeography 2025 edition is available on our website and the link is given in description. You can go to our website and check it for yourself. Now let me take you to the website and let's see how it looks like. So on our website geographyebooks.com, if you go to ebooks category, you will see Simplified Biogeography 2025 edition, and this is the first outlook here, and you can check all the details here, and also the chapters which include in this book is given here in the details you can look into, and also you can download some sample chapters or sample pages to look into how the book is designed, and all the details are given. And remember, this ebook is good for UGC NET preparation as well as for UPSC Geography Optional preparation, and also for other examination preparation where biogeography is concerned. So all of you who do not want to carry bulky books, who really want to read from ebooks, can take this and simply add to cart, make payment after giving the details, and download option comes and you can download it, the PDF version of this. So I sincerely hope that you would be making the best use of these particular ebooks. So all the best wishes and more updates coming your way. Take care.